Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news and a bit of nostalgia, the potential return of the Mitsubishi Galant. Now, if you're a car enthusiast or just love a good comeback story, this one's for you. The Mitsubishi Galant was one of Mitsubishi's first models to gain international fame. It hit the U.S. market in the early 1970s through a partnership with Chrysler, where it was sold as the Dodge Colt. Over the decades, the Galant built a reputation for reliability and practicality, becoming a favorite among midsize sedan buyers. Sadly, in 2012, Mitsubishi decided to discontinue the Galant due to declining sales. The company shifted its focus toward SUVs like the Outlander and Pajero, which were rising in popularity at the time. But here's the exciting part: rumors are swirling that Mitsubishi could bring back the Galant for 2025. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the idea of a new Galant has car enthusiasts buzzing. The rumored 2025 Mitsubishi Galant is expected to return as a sleek midsize sedan packed with modern features. Picture advanced infotainment systems, fuel-efficient performance, and luxurious body lines to meet today's market demands. If Mitsubishi gets it right, the 2025 Galant could be a serious contender against heavyweights like the Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, and Mazda 6. By blending Mitsubishi's legacy of reliability with cutting-edge technology, the Galant could carve out a place in the increasingly competitive sedan segment. So, what are your thoughts? Would you love to see the Mitsubishi Galant make a triumphant comeback? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.